China has just unveiled its most advanced air defense systems yet, showcasing next-generation missiles, high-energy lasers, and cutting-edge counter-drone technology at the 2025 parade. Today, we break down what makes these systems a game-changer in modern defense. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked about events in global defense, China's 2025 parade, where they revealed their next-generation air defense systems. This parade was not just a ceremonial display, but a strategic showcase highlighting China's growing capabilities in air defense technology. The spotlight was on advanced missile systems, high-energy laser weapons, and counter-drone technologies, which all signal a significant step forward for the People's Liberation Army. The parade demonstrated not only the scale of China's military modernization, but also its focus on multi-layered defense networks. Air defense systems have become a critical component for any modern military force, providing both protection against aerial threats and deterrence. The systems unveiled in 2025 aim to cover everything from high-altitude ballistic missiles to low-flying drones, representing a comprehensive approach to airspace security. Today, we'll explore the technical details, strategic significance, and potential global impact of these new systems. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how China is shaping the future of air defense and why these developments are capturing worldwide attention. Let's start with the first major system introduced at the parade and what makes it so groundbreaking. The first system that grabbed attention at the 2025 parade was the HQ-20, China's next-generation medium to long-range surface-to-air missile system. Designed to intercept both aircraft and ballistic missiles, the HQ-20 reflects significant technological advancements over its predecessors. Its 8-axial transporter erector launcher can carry multiple missiles, allowing for rapid deployment and flexibility on the battlefield. The missile design is streamlined, offering improved aerodynamics and faster targeting response. This system fills a critical gap in China's multi-tiered air defense strategy, complementing both short-range point defense systems and high- and long-range interceptors. In addition to sheer firepower, the HQ-20 integrates advanced radar and targeting systems capable of tracking multiple high-speed aerial targets simultaneously. This multi-target capability is essential in modern combat scenarios where saturation attacks using drones or missiles are increasingly common. The HQ-20 also features enhanced mobility, allowing it to be quickly repositioned to protect key strategic areas. By deploying this system, China demonstrates not only its technological progress, but also its intent to strengthen territorial defense. Analysts suggest that the HQ-20 could shift regional air defense dynamics significantly, making it a key system to watch in the coming years. Its debut at the 2025 parade signals China's commitment to building a modern, resilient air defense network. Another highlight from the 2025 parade was the ODU-5 high-energy laser system designed primarily for counter-drone operations. This ground-based weapon uses a powerful 10-kilowatt laser capable of targeting low-altitude, slow-moving aerial threats. Unlike conventional missile systems, the OW-5 offers a virtually unlimited ammunition supply as long as it has power, making it ideal for defending against swarms of drones or small aircraft. Mounted on a highly mobile Dongfeng Mengshi platform, the OW-5 can be repositioned rapidly, increasing its operational flexibility. Laser-based air defense technologies represent a new frontier in modern military capabilities, combining speed, precision, and low operating costs. China's display of the OW-5 at the parade emphasizes its strategic focus on addressing emerging threats like drone warfare, which has become a critical concern for militaries worldwide. The system can operate in both offensive and defensive scenarios, providing real-time interception of multiple targets simultaneously. Its high targeting accuracy reduces the risk of collateral damage, a key consideration in urban or densely populated regions. By integrating the Obudu 5 into its air defense network, China demonstrates a layered approach to aerial protection, combining traditional missile systems with next-generation directed energy weapons. The parade highlighted not just technological innovation, but also a clear strategic vision for the future of air defense in modern conflicts. China's next-generation air defense systems also include advancements in radar and targeting technologies. These systems integrate highly sophisticated radar networks capable of detecting, tracking, and prioritizing multiple aerial threats simultaneously. Modern radar technologies in these systems provide longer detection ranges and higher resolution, allowing for early threat identification. By combining radar with advanced command and control networks, China ensures rapid data processing and efficient response to any potential aerial intrusion. The multi-layered design includes high-altitude detection, mid-tier interception, and low-level drone countermeasures. This holistic approach is essential for modern air defense strategies where threats can arrive from multiple directions at varying speeds. Another significant feature is radar stealth detection. As stealth aircraft and missiles become more prevalent, air defense systems must evolve to detect low observable threats. The systems displayed at the 2025 parade show China's commitment to incorporating these capabilities into its air defense infrastructure. By connecting missile systems like HQ-20 with laser-based weapons like OW-5 through integrated radar networks, China ensures coordinated responses to complex aerial threats. This level of integration is a critical step toward building a comprehensive and resilient air defense system. Analysts believe that these innovations could give China a strategic edge in regional security scenarios. Beyond hardware, China has focused on improving the mobility and deployment flexibility of its air defense systems. Modern warfare increasingly demands systems that can relocate quickly to avoid being targeted or to provide defense where it is most needed. Systems like the HQ-20 and OW-5 are mounted on mobile platforms, allowing rapid repositioning across diverse terrains. This mobility ensures that critical assets, such as military bases, industrial centers, and urban areas, remain protected against evolving aerial threats. Additionally, mobile systems enhance survivability in conflict scenarios by reducing vulnerability to preemptive strikes. The 2025 parade showcased not only the mobility of these systems, but also their ability to operate in coordinated networks where multiple units can communicate and respond collectively. This approach allows for adaptive defense strategies in dynamic combat environments. Another advantage of mobile deployment is operational concealment. These systems can relocate to avoid detection, complicating any adversary's targeting plans. By emphasizing mobility, China is signaling that its next-generation air defense systems are not static installations, but part of a flexible, responsive defense strategy. This capability, combined with advanced radar, missile, and laser technologies, forms a formidable defense network designed to secure China's airspace against contemporary threats. A particularly notable aspect of China's 2025 air defense showcase is the integration of counter-drone technologies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are now common in both surveillance and offensive operations, making drone defense a strategic priority. Systems like OW-5 specifically address this threat using directed energy lasers to neutralize swarms of drones efficiently. Unlike conventional interceptors, these laser systems can engage multiple targets simultaneously, reducing response time and conserving ammunition. The inclusion of counter-drone capabilities indicates China's awareness of modern combat trends where low-cost drones can disrupt operations and intelligence gathering. In addition to lasers, other systems are capable of electronic warfare, jamming drone communications and GPS signals to disable unmanned aircraft without physical interception. This combination of kinetic and non-kinetic measures allows for layered defense against a wide spectrum of drone threats. The parade emphasized how these counter-drone systems are integrated into larger air defense networks, enabling coordinated responses to both traditional and emerging aerial threats. This proactive approach demonstrates China's strategic focus on maintaining airspace security in an era where drones are increasingly central to military operations globally. By investing heavily in counter-drone technologies, China is positioning itself to mitigate new forms of aerial threats effectively. China's 2025 Air Defense Parade also highlighted the country's progress in missile guidance and interception technologies. Modern air defense requires extremely precise targeting capabilities to intercept fast-moving aircraft and ballistic missiles. Systems like HQ-20 integrate advanced guidance algorithms, radar tracking, and electronic countermeasure resistance, enhancing their effectiveness in high-threat environments. Improved guidance systems ensure that interceptors can accurately engage incoming missiles at extended ranges, increasing the probability of successful neutralization. Additionally, redundancy features in these systems allow multiple missiles to engage the same target simultaneously if needed, further boosting reliability. The parade also emphasized the integration of these missile systems into national defense networks, where real-time communication and coordination allow for adaptive responses to multiple threats. High-speed computing and artificial intelligence components assist operators in prioritizing targets and predicting trajectories, making interception decisions faster than ever. By unveiling these capabilities publicly, China signals its intention to maintain a technologically advanced air defense posture. Analysts note that combining precise guidance, radar integration, and mobile deployment represents a significant leap forward for China's strategic defense infrastructure. These innovations collectively strengthen the deterrence factor and operational readiness of China's air defense forces. Another key highlight of the 2025 parade was China's focus on layered air defense architecture. Modern defense strategies rely on multiple tiers of protection, from long-range missile interceptors to close-range laser systems. The HQ-20 serves as a mid to long-range layer, while systems like Oblidu-5 cover low-altitude, low-speed targets such as drones. Integrating these layers ensures comprehensive coverage against diverse threats. The strategic advantage of a layered approach is that no single system bears the entire burden of defense, reducing the likelihood of failure in complex attack scenarios. Moreover, by coordinating multiple systems, China enhances situational awareness, enabling rapid, informed decision-making across different threat levels. Layered defense is particularly effective against saturation attacks, where multiple missiles or drones attempt to overwhelm defensive capabilities. Each layer engages threats sequentially, optimizing resource utilization and increasing interception success rates. The parade emphasized that China is now capable of combining traditional missile defense with next-generation directed energy and electronic countermeasures in a single, integrated network. This holistic approach signals China's ambition to protect critical infrastructure and maintain air superiority in the region, reinforcing its status as a technologically advanced military power. In addition to showcasing military hardware, the 2025 parade highlighted China's advancements in air defense training and operational readiness. Effective use of these next-generation systems requires well-trained personnel capable of managing complex networks and reacting to high-speed threats. The parade included live drills demonstrating coordinated missile launches, laser interceptions, and radar tracking exercises. These demonstrations reflect the integration of human expertise with automated systems, ensuring optimal performance under real-world conditions. China's training emphasis also extends to multi-system coordination, where units communicate seamlessly across distances to manage simultaneous threats. Such capabilities are critical for modern combat scenarios where aerial engagements are fast, paced, and multifaceted. Furthermore, public demonstrations serve a dual purpose, boosting domestic morale and signaling technological and operational maturity to international observers. By combining cutting-edge technology with rigorous operational training, China ensures that its air defense systems are not only advanced on paper, but also fully functional in practice. Analysts highlight that this combination of innovation and preparedness is essential for maintaining credible deterrence and enhancing strategic defense posture in an era of rapid technological evolution in aerial warfare. Finally, the 2025 parade emphasized China's long-term vision for air defense modernization. The introduction of next-generation systems like HQ-20 and O-25 reflects strategic foresight in addressing both conventional and emerging aerial threats. Integration of radar networks, missile interceptors, and high-energy laser systems indicates a shift toward multi-dimensional adaptive defense strategies. Analysts believe that China's approach signals a commitment to technological superiority, regional deterrence, and comprehensive airspace control. By unveiling these systems publicly, China communicates its readiness to protect critical assets and maintain air defense superiority in an evolving threat landscape. The parade also serves as a benchmark for future developments, setting a high standard for subsequent generations of defense technology. The combination of mobility, precision, counter-drone capabilities, and layered defense architecture reflects a sophisticated understanding of modern warfare requirements. Observers worldwide are taking note, recognizing that China's next-generation air defense systems could significantly influence regional security dynamics. Ultimately, the 2025 parade not only showcased impressive hardware, but also strategic planning and innovation that will shape the future of air defense technology for years to come. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge defense analysis, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest military technology developments.